The spread of electric vehicles is closely linked to the availability of charging infrastructure. For electric vehicles to be as practical as combustion vehicles, it is necessary to have access to charging at destinations like workplaces or homes. When electric vehicles, EVs, are parked for an extended period, using very fast EV chargers is unnecessary. Instead, the focus should be on the proper management of the charging power.
Behind us, there are 6 Green Motion Building ACEV chargers. These are typically used in parking lots, office buildings, and multifamily buildings. Eaton's Green Motion Building EV chargers provide AC charging for electric vehicles and plug-in hybrids up to 22 kilowatts. The vehicle's onboard charger and the EV charger's power limit determine the actual power allocated. Green Motion Building EV chargers can be set up in multiple ways. One option allows the users to start charging immediately after connecting the cable to the vehicle without requiring authentication. Another option involves using authentication, which is suitable for shared parking lots where control over user access and usage times is needed. Green Motion Building EV chargers are compatible with any third-party operator's payment system through the OCPP protocol. Users can authenticate themselves using RFID cards or the operator's applications. Our Eaton Green Motion EV chargers can be integrated with any operators using OCPP in the EMEA market.
The facility may lack sufficient spare power for the EV chargers, risking an exceedance of the agreed power limit with the power plant. When the installation of a larger number of EV chargers is required and there is no possibility of increasing the power allocation from the grid to the necessary level, the xStorage compact energy storage system offers a viable solution. This energy storage system, with its peak shaving function, acts as a safeguard, preventing the contractual power from being exceeded. The system can be charged using surplus energy from photovoltaic panels or during off-peak night rates. The power flow is monitored and controlled by Eaton's building energy management software for optimization.
We need to keep in mind that an essential component of EV charger infrastructure includes the appropriate electrical protections mandated by regulations and standards. One of these protection measures involves using differential circuit breakers, specifically Type B circuit breakers, as required by these regulations and standards. Green Motion Building EV chargers are equipped with an integrated DC current sensor capable of detecting ripples exceeding 6 milliamp. Consequently, these devices can be protected using a Type A circuit breaker. Additionally, overcurrent circuit breakers are necessary to provide protection against overloads and short circuit. It is essential to ensure that the selected device matches the operational power requirements of the EV charger. The final component of the necessary protection is surge protection devices, designed to safeguard EV chargers from overvoltage impacts and direct electrical discharges. It is essential to remember that EV chargers are integral to the facility's technical infrastructure and therefore require appropriate protective measures.
From an investor's perspective, it is crucial that the EV charging system infrastructure is integrated in a manner that minimizes disruption. Eaton's extensive portfolio of EV chargers, metering, energy storage, and management, coupled with their outstanding service, guarantee long-term and reliable performance.